How to book hotel in Trivago. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can book a hotel on Trivago, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to book a hotel or a stay on the Trivago app, it is very and relatively simple to do so, because then all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Hotel Trivago application here, and then also just make sure that you're signed into the account. Now the one thing I'd recommend you do is simply turn on your location access so that the Trivago app can scan the nearest places to you. Here you can find the option where it says search nearby states. You want to make sure to just tap on it and allow the location access, and then tap on allow while using the app. Now it's going to search the nearest location and the nearest one and the nearest places that are next to you, and then you'll be able to see all of these places that are currently underway. So what you can do is you can simply go ahead and select a specific place that you would like to book, and then here you'll be able to see the reviews of that specific hotel. Now you can select the number of rooms, the number of people, and everything else that you want, and then here you'll be able to go ahead and see the view deal option here. Once you go ahead and select that, you should be able to confirm your payment and then your bookings, and then you should be able to make a booking on a hotel on the Hotel Trivago app. This way you can go ahead and then basically book hotel on the Trivago app. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.